The Law of Correspondence Applied to Ecology by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The law of correspondence, a principle often articulated within various philosophical frameworks, posits that there exists a fundamental relationship between different levels of reality, suggesting that patterns observed in one domain can be reflected in another. This concept, when applied to the field of ecology, offers profound insights into the interconnectedness of biological systems and the environments they inhabit. By examining the parallels between microcosmic and macrocosmic ecological structures, one can synthesize a more nuanced understanding of ecological dynamics, thereby underscoring the significance of this law in fostering a holistic perspective on environmental stewardship. At its core, the law of correspondence asserts that the characteristics of smaller ecological units, such as individual organisms or local ecosystems, can be indicative of broader ecological patterns and processes. For instance, the health of a single species may reflect the overall vitality of its habitat, thereby serving as a microcosm for the larger ecological community. This relationship is particularly salient in the study of biodiversity, where the presence or absence of specific species can serve as a barometer for ecosystem health. The metaphysical implications of the law of correspondence extend beyond mere observation. They invite a deeper inquiry into the nature of existence itself. By engaging with concepts from analytic philosophy and metaphysics, one can explore how the principles of transcendental idealism may inform our understanding of ecological relationships. The categorical imperative, for instance, can be invoked to argue for the ethical responsibility of humans to maintain ecological balance, recognizing that actions taken at one level of the ecological hierarchy reverberate through the entire system. In practical terms, the law of correspondence has significant implications for ecosystem management and conservation efforts. By recognizing the interdependence of various ecological components, policymakers and conservationists can develop strategies that are informed by the intricate relationships that exist within ecosystems. For example, the restoration of a degraded habitat may necessitate a comprehensive approach that considers not only the physical environment, but also the social and economic factors that influence ecological health. Furthermore, the law of correspondence becomes increasingly relevant in the context of climate change, where the effects of global warming manifest at both local and planetary scales. The correspondence between rising temperatures and shifts in species distribution exemplifies how changes at a macro level can have cascading effects on local ecosystems. Consequently, understanding these relationships is crucial for developing adaptive strategies that mitigate the impacts of climate change on biodiversity. In summary, the law of correspondence serves as a vital conceptual framework for understanding the intricate relationships that define ecological systems. By elucidating the connections between microcosmic and macrocosmic phenomena, this law not only enhances our comprehension of ecological dynamics, but also emphasizes the ethical imperatives that arise from our interconnected existence. As we confront the myriad changes posed by environmental degradation and climate change, embracing the insights afforded by the law of correspondence may ultimately guide us towards more sustainable and responsible ecological practices. The implications of this discourse extend far beyond academic inquiry, urging a collective commitment to preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems,